Hello guys, how are you doing? It's Ada here. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make carrot scrub. This is a brightening scrub that will help to get rid of dead skin cells to reveal a radiant, bright and beautiful skin. And this carrot body scrub is easy to come up with. Let me walk you through. So get your fresh carrot, make sure it's nicely washed, then you're going to be grating the carrot. So what we need is the juice. You can also blend, but we don't want any form of water to get into the carrot. That is why we are using a grater, so that we can get just the carrot juice, because what we need is just the carrot juice without any added water. Okay, after grating the carrot, this is what we have. You're going to be transferring it to a strainer, okay, like so. So guys, this carrot body scrub is so amazing. And the amazing thing is that it's easy to come up with. Okay, so after transferring it into the strainer, you're going to squeeze out the carrot juice like so. So after squeezing out the carrot juice, this is what we have, guys. So next step is to get a soap base. Get any soap base, but make sure that the soap base is a hydrating soap base. You don't want to use any form of harsh soap, because we want this carrot body scrub to be very hydrating. Okay, so after taking your time to grate the soap, this is what we have. You're going to be transferring the grated soap into the carrot juice. So the next step is to mix. Okay, you're going to keep stirring until the soap base has dissolved to an extent. So guys, this body scrub is what you want to try. It will help to brighten out your skin. It will help to smoothen out your skin. It will help to clear dark spot and make your skin beautiful. So the next thing we are going to be adding, okay, is preservative. Okay, we need to prolong the shelf life of this carrot body scrub, because we are using carrot juice. Okay, so we need to prolong the shelf life by using preservative. So next, we are going to put shea butter into a plate like so. Then you can use any oil of choice. I use jojoba. Okay, so you can use any oil of choice. So guys, this carrot body scrub is a very hydrating one. We are going to blend the oil and the shea butter, okay, to make a paste. So guys, this carrot body wash is what you want to try. It will not strip out your skin's natural oil, okay, which is really beneficial. It's going to brighten out your skin. It's going to make your skin beautiful, okay, as beautiful as the skin of a baby. So after that, we're going to be adding sugar. We're going to be mixing everything together. So sugar is a natural exfoliant, okay. It will help to get rid of dead skin cells, okay. So you're going to mix, as you see me mix here, you're going to incorporate the sugar into the shea butter oil mixture. Just take your time to make sure that you incorporate the sugar very well into the shea butter and oil mixture. So guys, this is an easy body scrub you want to start making and start using. So after that, I'm going to be adding, okay, the carrot soap base mixture into the sugar, and you're going to mix and mix. You're going to mix on a high speed, right? So guys, it's as simple as that. So this carrot body scrub is what you want to try out. If you're looking for an effective body scrub on a budget, you can just make this yourself and start using it, okay. So all you need is about 10 grams of shea butter, then 15 grams of any oil of choice. Then you need about 50 ml of carrot juice. Then you need about 20 to 30 grams of your grated soap base, and of course the sugar. You need about 150 to 200 grams of your sugar, okay. And just follow the recipe, follow the procedure to come up with your own body scrub. Guys, are you seeing how our body scrub looks? It's very creamy and it does absolutely well on your skin. So you don't need to spend too much on body scrub if you can come up with this natural carrot body scrub that will make your skin look beautiful. Hope you guys are seeing the texture. Hope you're seeing everything. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. Make sure that you use this scrub 2 to 3 times a week, and make sure you use it on a wet skin. Don't use on a dry skin, okay, for best result. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day, and bye for now.